I know when I sell life insurance, I am doing the Lord's work because there are biblical principles that are directly aligned to what I teach and what I do, how I serve, how I lead, when I speak, when I get an opportunity to teach people, I make sure that I am aligned, right? I make sure that I'm aligned. I make sure that I'm in compliance too. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you. I want to share this with you. There are some biblical principles and some Bible verses that are directly tied to the work that I do. Okay, so let's go with what most people understand life insurance to do, or what most people understand life insurance to be. Like, most people say, okay, life insurance is about you having a policy to be there so that your family can bury you if you pass away. That's not even the beginning of the story. Like, that's literally like a piece, right? Life insurance does so much. That's why it's called life insurance. It's to be used during your lifetime. That's why you have accelerated living benefits, which are life insurance. Well, if you got your life insurance with me, you got accelerated living benefits. Whether you have a term policy, an index universal life policy, a whole life policy, you have accelerated living benefits, which means that you can use this money to take care of your needs if you become ill with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. Again, I say that I help people understand how to get the life out of life insurance and how to use it during your lifetime. Now, outside of making sure that your family has money to bury you, you also want to make sure that you are well aware that you have enough life insurance. Some people are underinsured. They're very much underinsured, because if you have a home and you have a $500,000 home and you don't have a $500,000 in coverage, then you're underinsured. And if you are a mother, if you are a father, if you are responsible for other people, you want to make sure you have more coverage. You need to have more coverage outside of your job. So let me go to the Bible. Let me go to the Bible. Let me go to these New International versions of these verses. Okay. So First Timothy 5, chapter 5, verse 8 says, anyone who does not provide for their relatives, and especially for their own household, has denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever. It is your responsibility to make sure that you provide for your own household, especially. So if your household is dependent upon your income in order to live the lifestyle that you live, and one critical, chronic, or terminal illness can make you lose your job, run out of FMLA, and not be able to pay the bills, then guess what? You need more coverage. And if you don't have that coverage, then it's time for you to upgrade your life insurance coverage.